can actually make calls like voice calls on TikTok today. So yeah, TikTok have actually make it available for us to start making calls on TikTok. So in order for you to make call on TikTok, all you need to do here is to click on the call icon at the top right corner behind the three dots. As you can see here is not allowed on my own TikTok. So here you can go ahead and click on the three line icon at the top right corner. You can see mute calls. You can actually mute calls. You're not going to be receiving calls from this user. But in order for you to fix that problem, for you to start making calls with your friends, yes, you are going to be making calls with people that is you are following and they are following back. So in order for you to do that, you need to go to Play Store. On your Play Store, you are going to be typing in TikTok, and if your TikTok is not up to date, you need to update your TikTok. Make sure your TikTok is up to date, and then you can go ahead and open up your TikTok and start making calls. So that is it. Very simple it is to make um to get the call option on TikTok 2026. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.